Hello and welcome to Selenium for Beginners. This video is a spin-off from the XPath function video number 44. In that video, we looked at dynamic values. The XPath text function and dot located a value that changed in the DOM. However, I mentioned there is a difference between the text function and dot. We are going to look at the difference between both XPath concepts using this presentation, then demo Google. In this example, we want to find success. First, we locate class search results, then try to locate success. Notice success is between the EM tags. EM stands for emphasis, which boldface words on a web page. In order to find success, we would not use the text function, but use the dot. The text function will not find success because the text function locates content in a text node. A text node only contains a string, and strings are located inside quotes. Therefore, the price of and is hard work, commitment, and dedication are text nodes. As a result, in example 2, the text function will locate success. We see success is located in the text node. The third example is kind of tricky. Success is located inside a text node, but it does not have a direct relationship to the element. What is the element? The element is div class equals search results. Therefore, the text function will not find success in the second text node. On the other hand, the dot for XPath will find success in all 3 examples. Now, let's go to Chrome for our demo. Search for Selenium automation and inspect the description. We see tag name is span and class is st. Write 2 forward slashes, span, 2 brackets, contains parenthesis at class, comma, 2 single quotes, st. Let's try out a few things to see the difference between dot and text. Starting with dot, I am going to write 2 brackets, contains 2 parentheses, dot, comma, 2 single quotes, and search for Selenium. There are 6 results. Search all 6. Selenium, 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 and Selenium. In each one of these results, Selenium is located within the EM tag. The web page shows Selenium boldface. Change the dot to text. And as expected, the text function returns no results. Change Selenium to test, and there are 2 results. Test, search, test. Test is part of testing, and it is located in the first text node directly related to the element with the span tag and class containing st. Change the text function to dot. And we see 3 results. The text function did not find test for this search because it is located in the 1, 2, 3 third text node for HP, Quick Test Pro. That's it for the difference between XPath text function and dot.